my compatriots in the Philippines and the world. Today, January 17, 2026, I am here at Nice, France, St. Joseph Church, based on the dream for me to connect St. Joseph Shrine of Quezon City as represented by this t-shirt, the pilgrimage t-shirt, in the Philippines, and now Nice, France, St. Joseph Church. I am here guided by an exemplary father like St. Joseph, Darius Boquiren. So I bless and thank God because my compatriots, you will see how important this church is. It will be a world pilgrimage marking the sacred prophetic relations of Philippines and France.